Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. This time we are setting up our tax classes and attaching them to our products. So what we're going to do is we have to set our tax rate, and no matter what we want to do and no matter how much we complain, we have to pay the taxes. So we might as well attach them to the product so they can automate that system for us inside the RentalTrax inventory software management system. So if you've been following along the how-to videos, this is the next step in getting your products created. So what we're going to do is go to the products drop-down menu down to tax classes, and I'm going to go to list tax classes. This is going to give me a list of the tax classes that are already in the system. So if you're just getting started, you're going to probably have some demo tax classes in there, some samples. You can change the numbers on there, change the wording if you like by clicking on them. You can change what they're called and change the tax percentage as well. Remember, when you're entering the tax percentage, you don't put in for 25%, it's not 25.00, it's 0.25. That will make it a percentage later on for the system, and then you're going to click save on any changes that you do when you're editing the tax class. Now, much like when you're creating your categories, if you're doing the product import and you're at that stage where you're allowing us to import your products for you, the numbers on the left-hand column represent the tax class ID. So in the product import template, you're going to put these numbers into the column when you're doing the import. If you aren't quite at the stage yet where you're importing your products for you and you've gone through with a paid subscription, then the column will make no sense to you, what I just mentioned. But when you do decide to go for a product import and you go for a paid subscription, we can import your products for you, and that's where you're going to enter that information. The middle column gives you the name of it, and then the right-hand side gives you the tax percentage. If you want to create a new tax class, you're going to click the New Tax Class button, and this is where you're going to name it. So this will be our test tax class, and I'll put it at 10%, so 0.1, and click Save. Once you've done that, you've got your new tax class created, so we can see it if I go to my list tax class. We can now see my test tax class is created here, and it's created at 10%. That's as easy as it is to create your tax classes. In the next how-to video, and as we progress further, we'll show you how you attach that to your products themselves. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 888-925-6236. That's 888-925-6236, or send us an email at info@rentaltrax.com, or check out the website at www.rentaltrax.com.